Hey there, and welcome to this AdSkills tutorial where we're going to talk about Facebook's email custom audiences, what they are, and how we use them. If this is the first time you're watching an AdSkills video, then I wanted to say welcome. My name is John Belcher, I'm the teacher here at AdSkills, and we're super excited to have you. So what exactly are Facebook email custom audiences? Well, it's a capability that Facebook has created that allows us to upload our customer lists where Facebook can then use it to either retarget or go find new customers who look like our current customers. Truly amazing technology. But it's not the only type of custom audience you can create. In addition to customer lists using lifetime value, we can also use website traffic, Facebook and Instagram engagement, and offline event interactions. If you'd like to learn more about those, make sure you click on the card in the upper right hand corner. I've linked the videos so you can check those out too. But what is it about the email custom audiences that make your life better? Well, it allows us to scale more quickly using Facebook data. So basically what we're doing is telling Facebook, this is what our customers look like. Go match up the profiles with the customer list that we've got, and you can use it to retarget or find more people using lookalike audiences. In addition, Facebook has given us the ability to add lifetime value to our data sheets so it can say, these are the customers who are worth the most. Go find more people who look like this. And that's a truly amazing technology. Facebook is allowing us to go find higher quality and higher value prospects without really having to do much. We upload our list and it goes and finds them. Truly amazing stuff. So what do you need to actually utilize this? Well, you have to have an active Facebook ads account and a customer list. Lifetime value is optional, but if you can add it to your customer list, it can make a really big difference. So the steps to the process of actually creating your first email custom audience. First, you're going to upload your customer list. Second, you're going to wait for the data to populate. Typically, it takes somewhere between 2 and 4 hours, but I've seen it take up as much to 24 hours. If you've gone 24 hours and it's still not there, comment down below and we'll help you troubleshoot. Then you're going to either use it to retarget or use it as a seed audience to build a lookalike audience from. Let's head over to Facebook and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm in my Facebook ads account and I've gone to the audience section. If you don't know how to get there, you're going to click on the bars in the upper left-hand corner, go to all tools, and then click on audiences. So this is just a basic example account for me. I don't use this. So there's not a lot in here, but your account should be full of audiences that you're using to either retarget or build lookalike audiences from. So what you'll do to create your first email audience, you're going to click on create audience, custom audience, and use customer file. So now you have a couple ways to do this. First, you could upload the email list that has your customer information. Second, if you use MailChimp, you can actually just connect it with Facebook to import it. It's really nice for that because it constantly updates rather than having to manually upload it over and over. The final way to do it is to add your lifetime value to get better performing lookalike audiences. So I'm going to put a link down below so you can see the customer data preparation. This is going to show you how to actually set up your customer CSV file. So go through and read through this document and you can download these examples. This is what the custom audience example looks like over in Excel. So as you can see here, Facebook has put together this example profile. It's giving you multiple places that you can add emails, phone numbers, and then IDs, first name, last name, zip code, etc. If you don't have all this information, it's okay. What's really important is the email. If you've got the name, you can go through and enter those. Any other information that you've got about your customers, absolutely upload it. If you're going to use lifetime value, all you're going to do is tag the total amount that they've spent with your business onto the end. So if you look over here in this, the link that I shared with you, down here below, once again, customer lifetime value section, all you're going to do is add a column header of value and then type in the total dollars that they've spent with you. What Facebook's going to do is going to look at the email and find lookalikes from that email, but also match it with the value to say these people are worth the most to this business. We're going to prioritize these and go find more who look like this particular individual who spent a lot of money. That's how the lifetime value works. So the one thing I will mention here is your customer list, if it's over 1,000, that's really where we start to see good things happen. We've seen people break it down into the 100, 200, 300 range and have some good success with that. But typically, the more data you have, the better it's going to be for Facebook because there's two parts here. First, it's not going to be able to match every single customer because not every single one of your customers uses their email on Facebook for their profile. Second, what's really important for algorithms is to have a big enough data set to say, okay, these are actual trends, not anomalies. If you have a very small customer list, it can't really go through and figure out what are true trends and what are just a couple things that might be in common. But if your list size got bigger, those become static noise and not actual trends. So once again, minimum size hands down is 100. We highly recommend going between 300 and 1,000. That's where you really start to get success. Anything over that, you're really going to give Facebook a lot of data to work from. So how this actually works, I'm just going to give you an example from the LTV side. If I click on this, what you're going to see is to go through and have all of these particular fields, whatever you can add, make sure you do that. And then once again at the end, include a column that says value with the actual amount that someone has spent. You'll click upload file, go through and upload it, click next, and you'll have your audience. Now what you're going to want to do with this is A, you can either go through and create a retargeting audience from that, or B, you can go through and create a lookalike audience from that. I'll cover lookalike audiences in a different video, but essentially what you've done now is you've gone through and uploaded this. Once again, it'll take probably between 2 to 4 hours, but maybe as much as up to 24 for Facebook to go through and match this data that you can actually start using it. Once you've got your email list uploaded and the data is prepared, you can come in here and click on the checkbox next to it, Actions. You can create a lookalike from it, or you can go through and utilize it inside of your campaigns from the targeting perspective. You can either retarget those individuals, so select in your campaign targeting, include audience, and it's going to be whatever the name of your email audience is, or use that lookalike audience for cold traffic to go out and find more people. That's really what Facebook's email custom audiences are and how we use them in our business. If you have any questions, make sure to post them in the comments down below, or if you have a specific question about your campaigns, make sure to go check out our Pro League forum where you can ask Justin Brooke, myself, and tons of other Facebook advertisers how to be successful with your campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like more information about how to succeed with paid traffic, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified every time we put out a new video. Second, text Daily Edge to 44222. We'll send you a link to our daily newsletter, which has more than 20,000 subscribers learning about the bleeding edge information in paid traffic. Thanks so much and have a great day.